Welcome to Pia's World. My name is Sophia and we'll be trying Pockies today. The first one is chocolate. The second one is cookies and cream. The third one is strawberries. We'll be tasting them today. Let's taste the chocolate first. It tastes like some kind of stick in the chocolate. It's like they dipped it in chocolate and put it in the box, and it tastes really good. It tastes like real chocolate. Second one is cookies and cream. The cookies and cream taste like Oreos. Tastes so good. Second one is strawberry. Tastes like strawberries. Good.
So what do you think about these snacks?
The snacks.
Were they really good?
The snacks were really good.
Where'd we get them at?
This Walmart.
At Walmart. Yeah. Would you eat them again?
Chocolate.
All of them. Would you eat them again? Yeah. Alrighty. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.